is Glennon and Danielle. And we are making animals. So this is actually part 2 because I accidentally dropped the iPad, and yeah, that's what basically happened. So I went ahead and already built the cow. The cow's already been built. And we had already built this little guy right here. The elephant. Alright, so now, what are you doing? What animal? Okay, you're just playing. Alright, so I'm going to do an alligator. That sounds so good. Now, and I'm going to do the wing. I have a feeling it's this. Oh, please. Okay, alright. Look, he's never been out before, so. Big chunky chomper. All we gotta do is smash and smash and smash and smash and smash and smash and smash. Smashy. Now let's see if the alligator fits. Which the alligator just about fits. You can see he just about fits in there. So we're gonna smash this into him. So see, he's like a little ornament thing now. And then now I'm going to kind of cut it. Cut the Play-Doh. Yep. Alright, so we did that. That. Big chunk of it left. And let's just take out this a little bit. I'm going to do a dolphin. He's the blue. I have no idea. I need a dolphin. I don't know. Oh wait, you didn't give me a dolphin, but it's dolphin. Okay, so now we're just gonna punch him out. Oh gosh. Punch. Okay. Oh no! Look at how he turned out. We gotta fix that. That sun's in my eyes. No sun, don't touch my eyes. That's why the Play-Doh's supposed to be there. Well, I'm playing with it. Okay, anyways, so now we have this little alligator here. So me and this one all friends. Oh. Alright. Okay, so I think I'm just about to get this so you can see it. Just about. Yeah, you can kind of see the tips of the, what's it called? The cow and the elephant and the alligator. I forgot what the cow is called. What do you mean, cow? So use that one, use that one. Okay, so use that. Alright, so now we're gonna do the little ducky. Let's do the duck. Yeah, let's do one of this color there. I don't need much of this, so I'm gonna take a little bit of this. Chomp them down. Oh god. Okay, so let's get this out of here. Pop, bruise. Pop, bruise. Pop, bruise. Yep, pop, bruise. Okay, so we gotta use you. Let's just put you back in here. Kind of stick that back down here so the tablet don't fall in. we're just going to deal with that because I've already put the Play-Doh up. So yeah. Alright, so this is the little ducky. And he keeps moving. So we're gonna put him right here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go for the bunny rabbit. Let's do some block blues. I don't think the black's ever been opened. It has. It has? Oh, it has. Okay, yeah, because I remember using it last night. But never mind. I think that's about all we'll need, as much as I got out.
All these colors have been used.
Not all of them. The one color that been. I don't think the green has been used yet. So we're going to put him on here like this. And then we're going to smash him and smash him. And smash him and smash him.
Yeah, it's been used.
Not that one, the other one. I've already used it though.
Yeah, it's
Use it. Oh gosh, it's what called on me. Okay, so I'm going to deal with this. I'm going to put this slide up to deal with it. I'm not very good at it. Okay, so ooh, he looks pretty. Look at the bunny rabbit. So just put the little bunny rabbit right here. And now, all of a sudden it's a giraffe. So let's take this. Try to open it. Can't even open it. And then take probably a good amount out. Probably need a lot. Let's just take everything out. Smash it, smash it, smash it, smash it, smash it, smash it, stretch, stretch, stretch. Fix, 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 fix. Okay.
there's a little pink up in here.
Alright, so let's just smash him down a little bit. So looky, he's now this way here. Let's stick that in there. Smash down. Smashing down harder so it don't look right. And then take it out like this. Just take it out. Oh gosh, can't stick it on there. Take it out, take it out, take it out, take it out, take it out. And he is looking A-okay.
A-okay.
Oh gosh, I can't get him out. And now we're gonna attempt to push him out, which is probably gonna be the hardest of them all.
Harder than me. What is this?
Whoop. No. And this is our little giraffe. So yeah, we're gonna just sit him right here.
It fell off. It fell different way. See.
Pink might need to go back up. Okay, so anyways, so we have all of our lovely animals. Give me just 1 second. Oh gosh. I thought I'd seen a rainbow. Okay, let me step back down. Alright, so we have all of our lovely party foods. But yes, we have dolphin. Oh, we didn't do a dolphin. How should we do that? Let's do the dolphin very quickly. I don't know how we didn't even manage to do the dolphin.
It was over here.
Oh. See if I can just get this bit bigger.
Dolphin is like your second favorite animal.
Let's see if I can get this fixed enough to be able to make a dolphin.
Vote on the comments if you like it.
Okay, so yeah, alright. So this is Ziz Dolphins, and we're just gonna smash them out. Oh, he kind of just fell out. Okay, fine with that. Came out pretty good too.
He came out.
Now it's just taking out.
He came
Oh,
out and
there's his tail. He pushed out his tail. And so now we have us a lovely dolphin.
black stuff all.
There's Audrey calling.
Audrey! 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 Audrey!
Alright. Sorry about that. So yes, we have us a nice little dolphin. A pretty dolphin. Fly through the ocean. Well, swim through the ocean. Then we have us a I can't see him all along. I have to hold him better. Then we have us a nice little giraffe right here.
Yes, we do. Yes.
Then
we
a
do.
nice little bunny. He's so cute. Look at him. He's just adorable little critter. So yep. And then we have the duckaroos, the little ducky. He's the cutest of them all. Here, watch
Oh,
this.
yes, yes.
Alright, and then we have an alligator.
It is too.
Alligator. Little baby elephant. He's so cute as well. And then, of course, we have the calories. So, we put all the animals back in here. They know you play with them if you want to. Yeah, there's all the animals. Oh no, I'm not doing it. I'm definitely not doing it. Okay, now I have to put all of that. Will you go get me a... Oh, dang it. I'm going to have to put them all back on. Dang it. I wonder it was so dark. I was wondering why it was so dark. He's get to show up. Danielle, I need half of the colors. I need you.
Pick which one.
You can open this.
Pick which one.
Now, we destroy him. Put him back in here. Here. Black. Destroy the dolphin.
No!
And then destroy the bunny rabbit. Off with your head. Now we need the white. Not yet, just leave it right there. Don't put the lid on. The cow. Crush! And then the little baby.
And then we have our giraffe that we're gonna crush. So sad.
And crush. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Bye me. See y'all later. Bye bye.